This is one beautiful way to start playing guitar in worship. If you have a song like Hallelujah in the key of C, the first chord is C, Hallelujah, F, then Hallelujah, that's G, right? Hallelujah. Now if you just play these chords, you are good, but you don't mature. You understand me? So you have to add some feels to make it more beautiful. So hallelujah. What did I just do? Just using some sort of double stops, Yes, I am Spratz, Spratz. I give lessons to beginners, to intermediates, and to even advanced students. If you're looking for one-on-one Zoom lesson, online lesson with a pro, look no further. Put the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Give me a call and I'll answer you. All right. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the best and a golden opportunity for you to do it. In case you don't even see my fingers here, don't worry. Hey, check the notes, follow the notes as I present them on the neck diagram and you will be good to go. I have one finger on C, one finger on G, and then I'm going to hammer here on A. That's the first one. I'm playing the two notes at the same time. Then I will move here. One finger on G, one finger on D. Then I'll hammer on E. I have these two here and I'll hammer on D. And I'll have the first finger on E and then on C. Then I will hammer on D using the third finger and resolve it. I can add Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, which falls on the pentatonic scale. Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La. So hallelujah. You can add whatsoever you want to this to make it beautiful. Hallelujah. So hallelujah. And when we go to the fourth chord, which is F. Hallelujah. There's so many things you can play. This is F here. The easiest one is to play. Hallelujah. I play A, C, D, then F, G, A, C, D. Hallelujah. same thing I did on F on G. That lick leads me to the chord. Hallelujah. Is that not simple? Okay, check another one. Hallelujah. So simple, right? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm going to play some kind of duets on the 4. I play A and F, then I go to B flat and G, and then I go to D, C and A, and then reverse it on F. I can do the same thing on G. Hallelujah. 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 tune. All right.